Alright, so what I ended up doing is taking this whole intake all the way off from the turbo. Right here, if you can see that, one of the vanes or whatever, that's where this kind of plugged into. And you cannot pinch this and slide it up or slide it down. You have to pinch this and bend this hose out of the way. Then just loosen that last clamp up, and then you'll be able to get, there's a little cap, you take that cap off, and then you plug your new line in here. And then what you got to do from here on out is just figure out how to run this down through here. And that. About half hour later, gain a few more degrees out. On the truck it says 35 degrees. That's what's 36, just went up. But my weather app says 24. But let's see, we're up to 60 degrees now. About half hour that was. But yep, it's doing its job. That's all we need.